My name is Jack Free, and follow me if you would like to love and live yourself free. Imagine that you will only live 2 days more, and you lay down, you just relax in the nature, try to enjoy the last 2 days that you have, and suddenly you get inspiration, and you feel the energy that is telling you exactly that that's the state that you love the most, and you suddenly recognize all your life purpose, all your feeling, and all this accepting and loving energy to yourself, and you feel like, oh my God, that feels so amazing. That's the way I want to live. And then you remember that you will live only 2 years, and you lived all your life without even knowing who you are and what's your life purpose. This would be fail for me, and that's why I'm discovering every day, hours and hours, like how to live my life purpose and just to follow the energy that is supporting me. So think about that and live and love yourself free.